Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Nissan Micra. If you go to phone like so, click on phone, there's nothing connected. You see connections there, so we go to connections, you've got add new, Wi-Fi, USB, my phone is listed there. If I click on the information button there, on the right hand side, it comes up there, delete. You've got call, phone book, send text, receive, set. But we want delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, yes. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro has been deleted. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Nissan Micra. First of all, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, and we watch out at the bottom for Bluetooth. Over to the system, click phone, click on connections, Bluetooth, add new, that's what we want, add new. Bluetooth is off, would you like to turn Bluetooth on to connect to device? Yes. Right, we're watching out at the bottom for my car. From the list, select my car. Thinking about it here, it's come up, my car. Bluetooth pairing request, here we go, 271925, yeah, pair. Allow contacts and favourites as sync. We'll just look for my car connected, that's it done. And it's now showing up on this system too. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Nissan Micra. So first of all, we go to music, find a track we want, and it ain't that one, that's for sure. So we'll go on there, click. You'll see at the bottom there, it says my car. If I click on that, it's bringing up iPhone or my car. There's a tick next to my car. That means whatever is playing on this phone, if this is set up correctly, the audio from the phone will play through the speakers in the car. So it's playing there, we'll just go back there, playing, we'll turn it up. Over here, menu, phone, fast forward, reverse, audio. Click on audio. That's it. I'm just going to turn that down, but just show you. It's automatically come up on Bluetooth. But if it doesn't, you click on the source button and you can see there, say you've got something in auxiliary down here, or USB, that's there and there. So if it was on auxiliary, then what we would do, we'll just go back. Let's go back, we click on audio, this is playing, we go to Bluetooth, and there we go, that's it playing. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.